Hyperliquid is outperforming every single asset consistently in crypto. So today we're going to talk about why that's happening and how you can get started on the platform immediately. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoy tutorials like this, and comment down below what else would you like me to dive into in the coming weeks. Now, obviously, if you're keen to sign up, guys, there is a link down below. It'll get you 4% discounted fees on the platform, okay? And it is amazing. I've literally cannot believe I faded this for so long, but as you can see, I just took a trade to activate it completely. I will show you briefly shortly how to deposit money onto the platform too, and I will release a tutorial on how to trade on this platform in the near future as well. But today's video is very much going to focus on why Hyperliquid is pumping. It's up 38% in the past week. It's up 21% in just the past 24 hours. Now, of course, I was looking to short. I was short. I shorted it from $34 down to $28.5. I then got stopped out as of today at break even. What we've seen is a huge breakout here after consolidation pattern ever since the highs in September 2025. Now, what you'll note here is that this is probably the strongest chart in crypto. While everything else is dumping, Hyperliquid is outperforming. So to sign up, guys, click literally the link down below. Literally come here, Hyperliquid, 4% discounted fees. Click this link. It'll open you up straight away, and I can show you now how to deposit on this platform. Click join and bang, you can get started on the platform using the deposit link in the top right corner. So once you sign up for Hyperliquid, connect it to either an email or a common crypto wallet like MetaMask or OKX wallet, etc. Coinbase wallet, they all work. You can then deposit depending on what you want. Okay, it can be ETH, can be Mon, can be Filecoin, for example, USDT, USDC here. Choose the different chains, Arbitrum, Hyper, EVM itself on Hyperliquid. But I'll be using Arbitrum itself. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I've moved $250 or 247 USDC to my Arbitrum MetaMask wallet. As you can see on Hyperliquid, it now shows up right here, and I can click deposit. I'll sign a transaction really shortly here. That'll allow me to deposit money directly onto the platform. Confirm. It costs a small amount because it's on Arbitrum, which is another EVM compatible. Now, just to show you that it works, guys, as you can see, I've got $5,000 deposited, far right corner. I'll zoom in on that just to show you that it does work. All right, let's move on with the rest of the video. So let's talk about why it's actually pumping. If we have a look here, it is so arguably bullish, okay? You've got $60 million of revenue in the past 24 hours, $200,000, which is up 0.3%. That's pretty crazy for a protocol that's been around now over a year. Daily revenue is sitting consistent. That's what you like to see when you consider the rest of the market, and liquidity has been a bit uneasy more recently, in particular after October 10th. Unique users is up 3.4% today. That's me, and hopefully you guys will be jumping on there very, very soon. Now, what we love about Hyperliquid is that not only can you hold the token, and fundamentally there's buybacks, and fundamentally it's great in terms of where it potentially heads in the future, but we're seeing huge platforms integrate it into their systems. Phantom has $3.2 billion in the past 30 days, 34,000 people out there using the Phantom wallet and trading perps indirectly on Hyperliquid via the Phantom wallet. That's pretty crazy. MetaMask also recently introduced this $2 billion worth of volume, 13,000 users. That's nearly 50,000 users in just the past month using it indirectly. Infinex is another Australian company, one that has also recently integrated Hyperliquid to their system. So that's pretty crazy when you think about it. And again, it might be pennies, only $46 per average per user, $100 on MetaMask, but this all adds up. And over time, as you can see, it is crazy the revenue that happens over time. So if we look at all-time revenue, okay, look at these models. This is crazy, okay? PvP went really out the gate. It was arguably the first sort of platform on there. But now Phantom, MetaMask, and Based is another platform, okay, that has really taken off. So these metrics, along with the recent update of HIP3. Now, what is HIP3? Let's dive in. So HIP3, as it says here on the screen, enables permissionless equity and commodity perpetual markets on Hyperliquid. Basically, that allows you to trade silver, gold, anything, okay, on Hyperliquid. Now, that's pretty crazy. Builders deploy these markets by staking, okay, Hyperliquid, opening access to TradFi assets like stocks, indices, commodities, okay, directly on-chain via Hyperliquid speed and transparency. So if I come over here and have a look, not only can I trade crypto like Solana and ETH and BTC, what I can do is literally click on the silver chart right now, and as it says, you are viewing, okay, you are viewing markets deployed independently and permissionlessly by a third party on Hyperliquid. These markets are surfaced based on chain activity and are not reviewed, verified, or approved. Trading this is obviously risky, blah, 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 blah. Open it up. Bang, guys. Here is silver. I could have literally shorted silver a few days ago when I tweeted about it, but I wasn't on Hyperliquid yet. So now I'll be trading on Hyperliquid more frequently because it allows me to get access to traditional markets unlike before. Now, let's dive a little bit deeper, okay? So $2 billion of daily volume already across HRP3, and this was written about 4 days ago as well. Silver alone has done $1.1 billion in volume in just the past 24 hours of that specific day. Gold now surpassed Solana on Perp's daily volume. I mean, if we go back and have a look, guys, okay? This is ranked by volume and open interest. As you look, BTC ETH, silver is third. It's above Hyperliquid. Gold is fifth above Solana. That's pretty crazy when you think about it. US 500 also here if you want to trade on stocks, and that's only recently launched in about the last 2 weeks. So you guys are just getting in time to these HRP3 updates. As always, do your due diligence. Make sure you go research anything to do with trading, okay? Because it is always very risky, but it has rallied up 50 to 60%, literally from $20 over just the past couple of weeks, up 50%, as you can see, from the lows, okay, with this new update. Now, a few other topics to discuss, okay? So HRP3 DEX stats, $37 billion in total volume. This was recorded 2 days ago, 32 million trades, 92,000 people on the platform. Daily trading volume is hitting new heights that we have not seen for a long time on chain. Now, what I really like in crypto is when a token and a chain is doing well. That was one of my best trades this cycle, was capturing Solana under $30 and trading on there with the NFTs, with the DeFi, with Radium, with meme coins, okay? It was one of the best trades because as that price went up, okay, the chain itself had many opportunities. And arguably Hyperliquid is already displaying that, even though I think we're going lower in 2026. And that's the thing. I'm going to stay patient here. I think I will get Hyperliquid under $30 later this year, but you can't ignore the stats. You can't ignore the adoption, the technology, the on-chain ability that Hyperliquid gives us right now. So if we have a look at on-chain perp volume as well, Hyperliquid was down in the dust back here in January or end of last year in December because there were so many competitors. We saw Asta, we saw EdgeX, we saw Lighter. Lighter went huge on Solana. We saw Pacifica, we saw Avantis as well, which is no longer on our list, okay? But Hyperliquid is now dominating with open interest. It is 3x the amount of open interest compared to Asta. It is double the amount of volume. Hard to ignore these stats. Let's dive deeper. Hyperliquid fees, they have nearly generated $1 billion in fees. Okay, again, they're plowing this back into the token. That's very bullish for the long term. Let's dive a little bit deeper. Hyperliquid eyes prediction markets with outcome trading proposal. Again, they're bringing innovation time sensitively on chain and allowing you and me to get access to it all over the world. That is absolutely crazy. Let's dive a little bit deeper. Total volume is increasing at the moment. This DEX takes a little while to update, but open interest has been gradually increasing on Hyperliquid. Liquidations, obviously, be aware. Make sure you don't trade with perps without actually understanding. Join us in GTG where we teach you how to understand how price moves. Okay, we've nailed this whole bear trend, and now we're hopefully trying to capture some trends in the coming years. We now trends all cycle, okay? So come and join us in GTG. Unique traders by coin, okay? This is definitely starting to increase over time, over the past couple of months, okay? As you can see, we saw a bit of a lull at the end of last year, and we're starting to see an increase again, all right? Cumulative new users increasing. Love to see it, okay? Up towards nearly 1 million new users. This is exactly what you want to be seeing and exactly what you want to be looking at, okay? Volume and inflow continues to increase. The 10th of the 10th definitely ruined a lot of people and a lot of market makers and a lot of exchanges, but Hyperliquid seems to have recovered pretty well. Trades and users are up now at an all-time high premium, and inflow is gradually starting to find a bottom here and likely improves in the coming weeks. So as always, guys, if you're keen to sign up, the link is down below. I'll do a trading tutorial very soon. This platform looks absolutely elite, and I cannot wait to get stuck in and trade some of these crazy tokens, some of these volatility-based tokens like gold, like silver, like we've seen so recently, hit crazy new evaluation. Like, look at this candle, man. If you shorted this, you'd be crazy in profit. Like, that's a 13% move on a $30 trillion asset. You don't get that opportunity very often. Sign up down below, guys. Check out GTG in the links down below. Hopefully we'll see you in there. Hopefully we can talk about education, some trading tips and whatnot. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll get a trading specific tutorial of the exact platform out within the next week. As always, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe to the video. Comment down below. What other tutorials would you like me to shoot? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.